So I'm going to summarize the internals of Java now. Okay. So what is it I'm going to summarize is, if suppose we have a class called memory internals. Okay. If we have one variable int a inside this class. So inside this class, I have a static method. If I'm writing new memory internals, the new is keyword, memory internals is name of the class name. Inside this memory internals class, there is one variable a, right? So that a is a variable which will be getting, let's say, 8 bytes or 4 bytes, and that 8 bytes of memory in heap. Once it is allocated, it will get an address, and that address is passed to constructor. Always remember, it is not reference passing. What is passed? Directly address is passed. So that address is passed to constructor. Okay, that address is passed to constructor. This is what happens. So when it passed to this address to constructor, it will come to the constructor, and inside the constructor, this will point to the address of the heap memory. So this will initialize it. How will it initialize this? This dot a is equal to 5. This is initialized. Okay, so this address which is in heap memory, you have initialized with 5. Okay, then reference is just holding that address. Reference holds how much byte means 4 bytes, you can say. So when I call venkat.get, get is a method. Venkat is having address. So venkat is address, whatever venkat holds, that address is passed to get method. So here also there is a this who can print that. So system.out.println. So when you write down that here, you can print here. Inside this, you can print the value of this dot a. So here, this will print that value. So this is the use cases what you are trying to do here as a developer. Correct. So this is the actual thing happening in the internals of your Java. Now we will say how much memory in case of 64 GB, 8 bytes. 8 bytes is what I'm talking about. Now this is the actual internals thing. Now this is something we crazily